I'm gonna do a little review here. Last video I went over all my axle swap stuff. Since then I've got these bumpers. I mentioned I'd do a review on them. These are from Absolute Diesel Performance in Texas. John Shields, the owner there, he builds all these, or his shop builds all these. Really, I have no complaints about them. I don't have the lights wired up yet. I still gotta figure all that out. I built a little license plate bracket for my receiver hitch there. Paint's good quality. Everything overall seems like good build quality. Haven't found any issues or anything. This is the second piece I have on my truck from him. The first piece would be that track bar bracket. It was great also. I'll show you the rear bumper. Sorry, the truck's a little dirty. Here's the rear. It's got the steps in it. I like that. It's got pod lights. I don't have them wired up yet either. I'm just going to splice them to my reverse lights. All I have wired up so far is the license plate light. Pretty easy installation. Just unbolt your factory brackets and bolt up the bumpers. Did some buffing the other day. Shined up pretty good. Not bad for original paint from '97. I use all 3M products to do all my buffing and everything. I got a 3M new quick connect. I guess I can show you that. It's in my truck. But I'll go grab it. 3M quick connect for my buffer, and got some new pads at Street Rod Nationals in Louisville. And of course it's locked. Well, it's on the other side anyway, I think. Of course one's on this side and one's on the other. This little quick connect coupler, real handy. You just pop the buffer wheels or buffer pads on it. I'll show you the buffer pads and compound I use. I didn't do any compounding, I just did finish work because I didn't do any sanding. This is the machine polish. It's blurry. It's got the black lid. You use it with the black buffer wheel. Blue lid, ultrafine machine polish used with the blue wheel. I've got a white wheel also, but they didn't have any compound there at the show, so I have to order it. Really nice stuff, but as you can see, it does a pretty good job, especially for no wet sanding. That's that. It's my review on my bumpers. Highly recommend him. You can find him on Facebook at Absolute. I think it's Absolute Customs. He's also got a forum, Absolute OBS, ABSALUTE. Find me on Instagram, Justin51986, and Facebook, Justin Hawking, HOCKING. Got any questions? Comment below, and I'll do my best to answer.